What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know that it's been forever since I've been on here, but luckily we're back, and luckily I'm done with that job in Phoenix, so I'm gonna have at least a few months here to be able to work on the truck, to make videos for you guys, and just to enjoy. Anyways, so today I want to talk about a few things, starting with this, the OBS. Man, you can't even see it, it's so bright out there. So I left Phoenix and it was super hot back there, but it's actually been super hot back home. It's like 100 degrees right now, which is, believe it or not, hot for where I live at in Phoenix. And it's been a super dry summer, super hot. I can't wait for this to be over. The OBS, here it is, still axle swapped. It's been running great, but to be honest with you, I haven't even put 10 miles on this thing since I finished the swap. Just because, like I said, I haven't had the time, I haven't been home. But like I said, we're back. We're gonna get back on this thing, finish it. There's a few things that we gotta finish on it. So I gotta finish some things on the steering. I gotta swap out my power steering gearbox bolts for some longer ones, and just a few miscellaneous things, including taking this thing to get aligned to make sure that everything is good on it. But yeah, like I said, I have driven it kind of like around the block, a few places here in town, and it feels great. It is definitely a night and day difference compared to how this thing used to run. But I will make a complete video on it once it is 100%. So yeah, again, this thing, man, you can't even see it. It's so bright out there. There you go. So this thing is looking awesome. It's looking mean. I'm so happy with the way that it turned out, and I can't wait to keep working on it. Also, I am still trying to get that dent side. If you've seen, I think it was my last video actually that I posted, I talked about buying a dent side. I'm still trying to work out that deal. That truck though is all the way out in Wyoming. My buddy has it over there. So I'm gonna have to make some time and go and buy it and road trip that thing all the way back over here, which that should be an adventure all on its own. I'm actually excited about doing that. I've never done anything like that, and I think it would totally be like roadkill style, trying to get that truck all the way over here. So hopefully we can get that. Another thing that I want to talk about is bumper brackets. So these are my 2017 Plus Super Duty bumper adapter brackets for the OBS trucks. I have a few in stock. I have 2 sets left. Luckily for me, they sell pretty fast. So if you're interested, hit me up. They are, again, like I said, to mount a 2017 Plus Super Duty bumper on your OBS. They are completely bolt-on. They use 2 existing bolts for your old bumper, and then the 4 bolts that are on your Super Duty brackets. The cool thing about these though is that they are super beefy. They're made out of a 1/4-inch steel, and the way they work is they actually allow you to keep all these plastics and all of this stuff on your bumper. Man, it's hot. Which will make it look that much cleaner. Again, so if you're interested on these, hit me up and I'll get these sent out to you. They are sent out raw, just raw metal. And that's because I actually hit up one of my local powder coating shops, and they charge an insane amount to powder coat these things. They were charging me $50 a piece to powder coat them, and that is just insane. That's crazy. So, but I am thinking of maybe kind of looking into getting a powder coating setup here for the house, because I also bought a plasma and a CNC plasma table to be able to cut these things out here at the house, as well as some other parts that I have in mind for the truck, including some bumper brackets for the 2008 through 10 bumpers. So keep an eye out for those. Hopefully we can get that running here pretty soon, in a couple of weeks, as well as get the 08 bumper brackets designed and made. So if you are interested in the brackets, send me an email at blowingdiesel@gmail.com, or at my Instagram, send me a DM, again, blowingdiesel. Right now, all I am taking is PayPal, but we are working on a website. Hopefully that should also be coming in the next couple of weeks. That should make it easier for anybody to just go on the website and get a set of those. So one more thing that I want to talk about is my old set of axles. So as many of you know, my truck was an F350, so it already had a Dana 60 on the front. Again, obviously leaf sprung. And I was thinking about keeping this thing because I was planning on maybe throwing them under my next project, which was gonna be the dent side or maybe some old Jeep or something. But I've actually changed my mind. I've decided that if I swap any axles under the dent side, it'll probably be another set of coil sprung Super Duty axles under it, because I think I was really happy with the way that these turned out, and I just think that it would be way cooler to do that. And I just honestly don't want these things here at the house taking up space. And I know that a lot of you guys have asked about them, so I want to give you guys first dibs on them. Again, send me an email or a DM if you are interested on them. If they don't sell, within a few days, I will throw them on Craigslist and just get them out of the house. Because, like I said, that plasma table is gonna sit right around here, and I just don't have the space for all this stuff. A lot of this stuff is actually gonna get moved around and probably out of here. But yeah, they are complete. I'll give you the leaf springs, everything. I took them off just to make it a little bit easier on storage, make it a little bit neater. But I do want to sell the set together, and I am not shipping, so it has to be either local or somewhere around the area. I'm willing to drive an hour or so to meet you, but like I said, I'm not shipping them. Also, this thing does need, I would definitely rebuild it. It needs probably most of the seals gone through. The hubs should be good. I replaced one of them not too long ago. I have a video on it. I replaced it with the used one, but it was a really good condition one. The other one was good. It has newer wheel bearings on it, but like I said, I would throw new seals all on it. Probably the same for the rear one because they do have some leaks on them. So again, like I said, shoot me an email if you're interested. If you're local around the area, send me an offer. I also have the wheels and tires for sale for it if you're interested on them. If you make me a good enough offer, I'll give you the whole set, the wheels, the tires, everything, the axles. But the wheels are, I believe they are 33. So here's the actual size. They are 285, 75 R16s. They are all-terrains, Corsas. And they still had some really good thread left on them. I think I put maybe 10,000 miles on them, if that. So they are still in really good shape. The wheels, they are somewhat ultra. I think that's what the brand is, but they are aluminum. And they've been pretty good to me. So again, if you're interested in any of that, send me an email. Like I said, I'm gonna have them just for you guys for a few days, maybe a week. And if they don't sell, I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on Craigslist and try and get them out of here. But yeah, I guess that's where I'm gonna end it off at. I kind of wanted to make just a short video to kind of say that I'm back. And yeah. Again, hopefully you guys are liking the content. I usually don't make videos like this where I just talk, but I just had a few things that I wanted to get across to you guys. And yeah, we'll see you guys for the next one. Hopefully I'll try and start uploading more regularly. So the goal is to try and upload 3 videos a week. Hopefully we can hit that, if not at least 2. So yeah, again, hit the like button, leave any comments, let me know if you're interested in any of this stuff, and we'll see you for the next one.